press record on the screen, do a little trick, helps align the audio. Right, so a lot has been made about how the Avata 360 obviously is taking 360 video and then how to align in DJI Studio and export a flattened MP4. But it's not just about that, is it? You can actually make a 360 video. If you can't see me talking, if you can only see trees, you need to drag the screen around. If you're on your phone, just drag the screen around until you see me. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. And if you're on a laptop, use your mouse or whatever, but either way, you should be able to see me talking. And this is the whole thing about the Avata 360, of course. It is not just about producing flat video. You can produce a 360 video. You can edit it in DJI Studio. And when you actually go to export, you have the choice of a flattened MP4 or a 360 video. And that's what you're seeing now, because I will be making this entire video, a 360 video, to upload. In a moment, I'll actually show you how to actually pair and make use of the DJI Mic 2 plugged into the RC 2, and that way you can marry up the soundtrack from the screen recording that I'm recording on the RC2 with the actual recording, camera recording, I'm doing on the Avata 360. But for now, before it rains and hails and snows again, let's just have a little bit of fun. So anytime you can actually use the default camera view, or you can just drag the screen around and have a look around you. So to get sound hooked up to your recording that you're making on the Avata 360, you're going to use the RC2. And you're also going to be using the DJI Mic or the DJI Mic 2, which is what I'm using here. Ignore this, this is connected to the Osmo Pocket 3. What I'm going to do, get the Mic 2, get the little receiver unit, and in case you didn't know, but you should, you've also got the little USB adapter here. And what you can do, just pop that in the pocket for a second, very carefully, you've got the little gold contacts, and under there you've actually got a little plastic cover that comes off. Keep that safe, don't lose it. And you can actually marry up the USB adapter. You've got 4 and 2 gold contacts, 4 and 2 gold contacts, so you get it the right way round. Slide it in, turn on the RC2. And then what we're going to do, plug the USB-C into the USB-C. Plug that in and then get the paired little mic. Can put that down there for a moment. Then you're actually going to wear that mic. So I know, yeah, it looks a bit daft because I've now got two mics on me. Now, of course, you cannot pair the audio directly with any recording that you are going to be making on the Avata. Like I said, you've actually got to do a screen recording, and then in editing afterwards, you will match the sound track from the screen recording with the recording you've made from the Avata. So you just drag down from the top and you press screen record. You get that noise, you get a little symbol. Let's get the Avata up in the air. Press record on the screen, press record on the screen, do a little trick, helps align the audio. Right, so a lot has been made about how So a little bit of fun there, but it shows you some of the different things you can do with the Avata 360. Really, you know, like I keep saying, it's unlike any drone I've ever flown before. Until next time, have fun, happy flying.